National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Turner County in southeastern South Dakota, northwestern Yankton County in southeastern South Dakota, southeastern Hutchinson County in southeastern South Dakota, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Milltown, or 13 miles east of Parkston, moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Menno around 6:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Olivet. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in South Dakota: Turner, Hutchinson, and Yankton. The National